something nearby usually takes checking the map app, searching, diving into reviews and keywords, and whatnot. But now, ChatGPT is making the whole process easier. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. You can allow your precise location to ChatGPT for very specific results. This can be done by going to Settings, then Data Controls, then Location Services, and enable it. Once enabled, ChatGPT can see where you are before answering questions about nearby places and local information. OpenAI says the data is used only to improve the response and then deleted, although anything generated during that conversation remains in your chat history unless you remove it yourself. The information was already there, but with location enabled, conversation feels more efficient. Imagine just asking, "What are the best coffee shops near me?" and getting a precise, targeted answer. Of course, there's a trade-off in letting any system know where you are, even temporarily. But if you're comfortable sharing location data with Google, Meta, or other tech giants, you should be okay with sharing your location with ChatGPT as well. Much greater search efforts are needed when location is unknown, and by knowing where you are, it's easier to narrow down options. The friction comes when one has so many plausible choices and not enough context to choose between them. Sure, Google Maps is a great help when it comes to specific locations, but when you put more filters, ChatGPT offers a more nuanced perspective and easily makes you decide where you want to go. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.